impact investing is a very good blend. To cut the long story short, it is a very good blend of working in the impact space, but doing it with the financial sustainability that one has learned over the corporate sector. Because I think the days of just using money given by donations and leaving that with people who are less privileged than us is gone or is diminishing. And more importantly, you don't leave the person who requires the help in a sustainable manner. It's like, you teach a person how to fish. You can give them a fish a day, but how long will you give it? You teach them fishing and they are on their own, right? So impact investing is that concept. And I really like that because I could bring in the experience and the expertise from my, nearly 25 years of career in the corporate sector to this space.